Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do just a little simple look for the kickback this summer, or you got like a family gathering or a nice cookout event. You just want something simple, something chic, something sexy, then I got you. And I just want to share with y'all these Kiss press-on nails that I purchased at CVS. Y'all, these are all, it looked like I went to get my nails done. I was so hyped. Just perfect. Perfect for this look. Perfect for the summertime. And yeah, just perfect. Alright y'all. Well, without further ado, let me get on in with this tutorial. This is Ciat'e London's Editor's Choice palette. I'll be taking that light brown with a small angle brush and creating a light wing coming out the corners of my eyes, and I'll be bringing that down halfway onto my lash line. And just a heads up y'all, please excuse the lighting in this video. I am doing the best I can. I promise I'll get better at it. Alright y'all, with a small sturdy brush, I'll be taking a little bit more of that color and blending that wing towards the lids. Now you don't want to go too far into the middle of that lid. You want to try to stay right in that outer corner and just blend that on out. This is the Wet n Wild H2O proof liquid liner in black. I'll be creating a small little wing right in that corner where your lash line stops, and then taking the liner all the way down your lash line. Try to make it thin as possible for a natural look. I'm now going in with just any black shade. I use this one out of the Narrs Arabian Nights eyeshadow palette. Using an angled brush, I'm going to be doing the same thing I did with that brown wing. Just going to blend that small black wing towards the middle of my lids, but still not going all the way in the center. You just want to mainly focus on the outskirts of your eyes. And then going in with a concealer to just clean up the sides of that eyeshadow, just to make it a little bit more neater looking. I'm going back in my Ciat'e palette I'm going in with that light beige color. I'll be packing that on my lids, and then with a fluffy brush I'll be blending all of that out. And that same brown we used for our first wing, we're going to apply that for our lower lash lines. And the PoreFessional Primer, we're going to be applying that all over our face. And we're going to be following up with the Makeup by Mario foundation and just going to be blending everything out. This is Soul's Body Balm in the shade Dark. I'll be just applying a generous amount all around my face. NYX Bear With Me Concealer in the shade Tan will be applied on my chin, under my nose, under my eyes, in the middle of my 5 heads, y'all. And I'm going to be taking that same brush I took for my foundation. And I'm just going to be making sure I blend everything out. Here we have LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. We're going to be applying a little bit on the side of my cheekbones, my jawlines, and around my head. And blend, blend, blend. We'll be sculpting my nose with those same concealers I used for my face. And taking a small angled brush and carefully blending all of that out. Beauty Bakery's Flour Satin Powder. I'll be applying a generous amount in the places where I applied my NYX Bear With Me concealers, and I'll just be leaving that on for a little bit to set. This is the Balm Cosmetics powder in the shade called Greg. I'll be using that dark powder to set my darker concealer for my contour. Milani Blush Red Vino. I'm going to be applying that on the apples of my cheeks. And then I will be taking some mascara and be applying that on my bottom lashes. I'll be lining up my lips with the LA Girls lip liner in the shade Berry Wine. And filling it in with Ciat'e's Glitter Flip Lip Color in Forbidden. And there we have it, folks. Just a simple laid back for the kickback or any family summer gathering you got going on. Something with a natural eye look and still a nice pop of color for the lips. Slaying with the press-on nails. And I'm sorry, y'all, I was gnawing the hell out of that gum. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for your time. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.